Okay, so 5 marks for this question is given us a diagram. It says A, B, C are points on a circle of radius 5 with the center O, and DA and DC are tangents to a circle that just touches the circle and the radius. So remember, this makes a 90 degrees angle. So try spotting a few things here. 90-degree angles there. And DO is 9. So D to O all the way is 9 centimeters. And work out the length of ABC. Now ABC is the distance all the way around from A to B to C. So basically it's an arc of a circle and with this angle here, okay? So when you find the distance all the way around the circle, which is circumference, the circumference formula is pi times by diameter. Now, because we're only looking at the certain angle, what you need to have in front, or the arc length, okay, arc length is going to be, so whatever the angle that is required over 360, because angles all the way around equals to 360, times by pi, times by a diameter. Now the diameter of the circle is going to be 10 because the radius is 5, so that's 10, okay? Now what's missing in this calculation is this angle over here, okay? So the angle that we need to find out. But they've given us the information that will allow us to find that angle. So we know we have some information given here. We're given a right-angled triangle over here. And because the shape is symmetrical, this angle here is going to be same as that angle. So if we find this angle here and double it and then take it away from 360, that will give us the required angle from there to there. Okay, so that's what the plan is. Now, it's a right-angled triangle because the radius and a tangent makes a right angle. And if this side here, if I take this triangle out, okay, and this is the right angle, this is 9, and this is 5, and this is the angle that I'm trying to find out. I'm going to label my sides. This is hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. So I need a formula that links together hypotenuse and adjacent and find this missing angle here, which is cos. Cos of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse, okay? Now adjacent is 5 divided by 9, but remember you need to do inverse cos on your calculator, or shift cos, and you put in 5 divided by 9, okay? So 5 divided by 9, and work this out, which is 56.25101, and so on. Remember, we want the answer to 3 significant figures, so try to keep as much numbers in your calculator as possible. Now, so this is 56.25 and so on. So this angle over here is also going to be 56.25 because it's symmetrical, since the tangents would be of same length. So we can figure out altogether, I'm just going to get rid of some of this stuff from here. Altogether, this angle is going to be these numbers added together. So I'm just simply going to times this by 2, which is 112.502 and so on. Now I'm going to take away that from 360. 360 take away 112.502 and so on, because that will leave us with this angle over here on the outside. Okay, so that equals 247.4979 and so on. So now I'm going to use this equation here, or this formula here, to work out the arc length which is missing, because I have all the information that I need. So 247.49, I'm just leave this in the calculator, divide by 360, times by pi, times by the diameter, which is 10, and that should give us the arc length. Okay, that equals 21.598 and so on. But remember, 3 significant figures, 1, 2, and 3, and the next number is 5 or bigger, so 21.6 centimeters. Okay.